heb een webapplicatie gestart. En ik ga hem gewoon
The
groot
solar
maken.
system. Our home in space. We live in a peaceful part of the Milky Way.
Ja, die krijg ik dus niet
Our
meer.
home
Of
is
toch?
the solar
Ja,
system.
toch.
A 4.5 billion year old formation that races around the galactic center at 200,000 kilometers per hour and circles it once every 250 million years. Our star, the Sun, is at the center of the solar system. It's orbited by 8 planets, trillions of asteroids and comets, and a few dwarf planets. The 8 planets are divided into 4 planets like ours: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, and 4 gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the smallest and lightest of all the planets. A Mercury year is shorter than a Mercury day, which leads to enormous fluctuations in temperature. Mercury does not have an atmosphere or a moon. Venus is one of the brightest objects in the solar system and by far the hottest planet. Mons is the largest mountain in the solar system, more than 3 times as high as Mount Everest. Mars has 2 small moons. Jupiter is the largest and most massive planet in the solar system. It consists largely of hydrogen and helium and is the theatre for the largest and most powerful storms we know. Its largest storm, the Great Red Spot, is 3 times as large as Earth. Jupiter has 67 moons. Saturn is the second largest planet and possesses the smallest density of all on Neptune at just under 2,100 kilometers per hour. Neptune has 14 moons. If its core, the Sun fuses 620 million tons of hydrogen each second and generates enough energy to satisfy mankind's needs for years. But not only the 8 planets orbit our Sun, trillions of asteroids and comets also circle it. Our collisions over and over again. The mass of both belts is also unimpressive. The asteroid belt has a little less than 4 burn gently for a few billion more years before it goes out entirely. Then, at the latest, life in the solar system will no longer be possible. The Milky Way will not even notice it. A small part of it, in one of its arms, will become just a tiny bit darker, and mankind will cease to exist, or leave the solar system in search of a new home.
Leuk. Ja, mooi gemaakt. Goed gezaagd. Oké, dat was het.